My life was over.
There was a moment in my life where I really believed my life was over. Not off track, not struggling, over. Up until that point, I was living pretty carefree. I was spending money I didn't have, eating out all the time, drinking more than I should. I was 14 years into the Coast Guard. Everything looked fine. On the outside. One night, everything changed. I went out, had too much to drink, walked home, and then I made a decision that didn't even make sense. I got in my car and fell asleep. I wake up to a knock on my window. It's the police, and they tell me I just took them on a high-speed chase. In that moment, everything started falling apart. I went from being respected to being looked at like I was nothing. But the real change didn't happen right away. It happened later, when I asked myself one question: what could I have done differently? And the answer was simple. I shouldn't have gotten that drunk, because if I didn't, I would have never been in that position. That's when I realized something. Accountability gives you your power back. From there, I just started rebuilding. Small steps, nothing crazy. And over time, I got my life back together. So if you feel like your life is over right now, it's not. You're rebuilding. If you're ready to stop just watching and actually start rebuilding your life, I created a space for you. It's called POP, Power of Positivity. That's where we go deeper into this. Positivity, ownership, progress, purpose. That's how you rebuild your mindset. If you're ready for that, join us inside. Link is in the description. I'll see you there. Stay positive, stay accountable. Mindset Rebuilders.
Touch right pop when I thought I couldn't make it back. Touch right pop.